Hey guys! For today's video, I will show you how to fix ChatGPT not available in your country. ChatGPT is created to be easily reachable from any location globally, as it is an AI language model. Nonetheless, certain users may face difficulties accessing ChatGPT in their nation due to reasons such as regional limitations or network connection problems. If you are encountering this issue, there are some potential solutions that you can attempt to resolve it. One possible solution is to use a virtual private network or VPN, which enables you to connect to the internet from various locations. By utilizing a VPN, you can circumvent any regional restrictions that could be blocking your access to ChatGPT. There are so many VPN available in the internet, you just have to pick one. When you use VPN, connect to a server located in a country where ChatGPT is available. It's important to check your internet connection, as a weak or unstable connection can prevent you from accessing ChatGPT. Firstly, disconnect from any VPN services you may be using. Close any unnecessary applications and background processes that might be using up your internet bandwidth. Restart your modem or router, and now try accessing ChatGPT again. That are some of the possible solutions to use ChatGPT. So there you have it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.